Hi, my name is Deepthi. Today we are going to learn about importance of trade training, list of tools and machinery used in the trade.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to
identify the tools and equipment used in fitter section,
record the names of tools, do's and don'ts of each tool, record the names of the industries where the fitters are employed. Tools required: file, tri-square, outside caliper, divider, dot punch, hacksaw frame with blade, bench vise, scriber, feeler gauge, vernier caliper, press drilling machine,
screw gauge or micrometer,
vernier bevel protractor, cold chisel, gas welding. A fitter in industries is responsible for assembling and fitting together mechanical parts and components to create machines or structures. Their role includes interpreting technical drawings, using hand and power tools to shape and manipulate materials, and performing quality control checks to ensure the final product meets specifications. They may also be involved in the installation and maintenance of equipment and machinery. Overall, the role of a fitter is critical in ensuring the safe and efficient operation of industrial processes. The responsibilities of a fitter in industries may vary depending on the specific job and industry, but some common responsibilities include reading and interpreting technical drawings and schematics, selecting appropriate tools, materials, and equipment for the job, measuring, cutting, shaping, and assembling mechanical parts and components, installing and testing completed machines or structures, maintaining and repairing machinery and equipment, adhering to safety regulations and wearing appropriate protective gear, keeping work areas clean and organized, collaborating with other team members such as engineers and supervisors to complete projects on time and to specifications. Overall, the responsibilities of a fitter involve a combination of technical skills, attention to detail, and a commitment to safety and quality. File uses smoothing and shaping metal surfaces, removing burrs and sharp edges, fitting and finishing. Do's and don'ts: use the right type of file for the job. Don't use a file that is too big or too small for the job. Tri-square uses checking for squareness, marking right angles, measuring and marking. Do's and don'ts: keep the tri-square clean and dry. Don't use a damaged or warped tri-square. Outside caliper uses
measuring outside diameters,
do's and don'ts: choose the right size of outside calipers. Don't use damaged or worn outside calipers. Divider uses marking lines, scribing circles. Do's and don'ts. Check the accuracy of the fitter divider. Don't use damaged or worn fitter dividers. Dot punch uses marking locations for drilling. Centering workpieces. Do's and don'ts. Apply moderate pressure. Don't use a dot punch on hard materials. Hacksaw frame with blade uses cutting metal. Cutting bolts and screws. Do's and don'ts. Choose the appropriate blade. Don't use a damaged blade. Bench vise uses holding workpieces for cutting, drilling or shaping, straightening metal parts. Do's and don'ts. Mount the vise securely. Don't use the vise for hammering. Scriber uses marking lines for cutting or drilling. Do's and don'ts. Use the right type of scriber for the job. Don't mark over existing marks. Feeler gauge uses measuring clearances. Checking tolerances. Do's and don'ts. Choose the correct gauge. Don't bend the gauges. Vernier caliper uses measuring lengths, measuring diameters. Do's and don'ts. Keep the caliper clean and free from dust and debris. Do not twist or bend the caliper. Press drilling machine uses metalworking. Do's and don'ts. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Do not touch the drill bit.
Screw gauge or micrometer
Uses measuring thickness. Measuring diameter. Do's and don'ts. Hold the screw gauge perpendicular to the surface. Do not force the screw gauge onto the object being measured. Vernier bevel protractor uses measuring and marking out angles, checking the accuracy of angles. Do's and don'ts. Clean the measuring surfaces of the tool. Do not apply excessive force or pressure on the measuring surfaces. Cold chisel uses cutting metal sheets, rods, and bars to size or shape. Removing excess material from metal parts. Do's and don'ts. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Use a cutting fluid or lubricant to reduce heat. Gas welding uses welding and joining mild steel, stainless steel. Repairing or modifying metal components. Do's and don'ts. Ensure that the welding equipment is in good condition. Do not use the welding equipment near flammable materials.
Let's have a recap of what we have learned today. We have learned to identify the tools and equipment used in fitter section, Record the names of tools, do's and don'ts of each tool. Record the names of industries where the fitters are employed. We have learned the importance of trade training, list of tools and machinery. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor.
Thank you.